Some of the engines on the island of Sodor like working to a musical rhythm.
I'm Peter Sam, I'm running this line. I'm Peter Sam, I'm running this line.
It's raining men. Hallelujah.
But Murdoch prefers peace, quiet, and the sound of his big, strong wheels gliding along the rails. One day, a large order of steel needed to be collected from the Ironworks. It was so heavy that Murdoch needed help from another engine. Wow, you need help? Now that's a surprise.
It makes no difference to me. I can work with any engine that appreciates a nice quiet journey through the countryside.
But when Murdoch arrived at the Ironworks, his hopes for a peaceful journey were dashed.
Howdy, partner.
Murdoch was dismayed, and it was easy to see why. Hank is a big, boisterous engine. Whenever he puffed down the line, the rails groaned and the ground shook. And whenever he reversed, his bell rang so loudly that the engines heard him from miles away. It also didn't help that he was very outgoing, and Murdoch wasn't one for small talk.
Hey, looks like we're working together, Murdoch. Mind if I lead? Makes more sense, I reckon, considering the cow catcher and whatnot.
Hank moved on to another line, so Murdoch could couple up to the train first. Murdoch was seething. All the bells and whistles were too much for him.
Oh, be quiet! Do you have any idea how rowdy you are? If I had that blasted bell or blew my whistle the horrid way you did, everyone on the island would surely go deaf.
And to show he meant it, Murdoch blew his own whistle louder than he ever had before. It blew so loudly, it startled Bert's driver.
Whoa!
But their troubles were only beginning.
I'm sorry, you two, but you'll have to stay here for the night. Arry and Bert will fetch Rocky first thing in the morning.
Ah, cripes. Like it, we will.
We will, though. What makes you say that? We're already headed in that direction.
Oh, yeah.
Now, Hank and Murdoch were stuck. Night came, and the two engines had gone most of the day without a word. That is, until Hank broke the silence.
Hey, Murdoch. Sorry for bothering you with all my bells and whistles.
You have nothing to be sorry for, Hank. If I had just put up with it, we might have gotten our job done on time.
Don't sweat it. On the bright side, I guess you did end up getting some peace and quiet. When the tower came down, it sure made me shut my trap.
I suppose that was nice, but now I'm actually a little bored.
You shouldn't have to be. Back on my old railroad, we used to sing songs to pass the time.
Songs? What kind of songs?
All kinds of songs, really. Here, try this.
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day.
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day.
Yeah, that's good. You got a nice set of pipes there, Murdoch.
You think so?
I'll say. Now come on, let me show you the rest.
So after Hank taught Murdoch the rest of the words, they performed their own duet.
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Right rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn?
Just then, Arry and Bert arrived with Rocky.
Hey, who cares about Dinah? We're the ones that brought Rocky. Now pipe down and let us clean up this mess.
Murdoch was relieved, but secretly, he'd been having quite a bit of fun. Soon, the wreckage was cleared, and Hank and Murdoch set off. And in no time, the job was done, and the two engines went their separate ways.
Goodbye, my friend. Sayonara.
Until next time, partner.
But Murdoch found himself humming Hank's song all the way home. Murdoch still prefers his peace and quiet, but truth be told, I don't think he'd pass up another sing-along with his partner for anything in the world.